true. My name is Derek Johnson. This is my guitar, Red, and this is my amp, Lenny. Now, I'm teaching Lenny how to sing, and it's really great. He has a photographic memory, so before the show, little secret, I played him some chords, and at a certain point, I'm gonna wink, and he's gonna play them back. You can wait for that. Also, I'll be performing Scissors and Cough Drops without the lyrics. If you find a book, I highly encourage you to read them because they are both light and happy, but also deep and heavy. But you won't have to deal with that.
As long as it's a book and not a magazine, I know what you do with magazines.
All right.